Saturday, January 7th. 7 days gone into 2023. What have we done to make it worthwhile? Think about that. At the beginning of the year, it's like so many opportunities, so much to think about. Anyway, it's been a successful week at Bella Filati, so that I take as a positive. So thanks. We had a crowd in here knitting today, and tons of people from out of town and walking by, and they saw everybody at the table and what's going on? And we were like, it's social knitting. That's what we do. It was very fun. Everybody had a big time. So you saw, I think, possibly saw a Facebook post while I was gone. I was knitting. I'm working on the Alaska hat, and the brim took forever. So I'm just now getting to the trees and the sky. So you can't really tell much. But first of all, I want to say the Alaska hat is probably one of the most fun knits I have done in a long time. And what you do, it's the trees. I've shown it to you before. But it's the trees and the sky from Alaska. So these are my trees, and this is my night sky. So mine will be subtle, but I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll be fun. But honestly, you can do it any way you want. But here's why I'm talking to you tonight. So I've talked to you about the Cocoa Knits, the Maker's Board Kit. So I grabbed one before I went on my trip. And let me just tell you, I am a convert. I am a convert. So I set this up. I started my chart. So here is my pattern. Wait a minute. What happened to my... Wait. I've lost parts over there. It is. So, so my pattern is down here on the bottom, right? And I'm in the middle of working on this chart. So all I do is I open it up and I tip it forward like this. And I have my pattern down here and my chart here. And I just move it up, up, up. And all of these magnets, this ruler, this ruler, this gauge, and all of these magnets held it down in the wind. And so if you want to knit outside or on a windy day or just at home, this gadget is a wonderful design. I mean, fabulous. It stands up on its own. It's solid. It's all magnetized. I'm telling you, I am a convert of the Maker's Board. It is $40.99. Comes in this lovely muslin bag. You got to have one. If you do any chart work, or actually even if not, you can just line by line by line by line by line, move your ruler down and follow your pattern. I'm a convert. It's all good. Thank you, Cocoa Knits. All right, I'm going to go work on my hat this weekend. Maybe it needs some more attention. What happens is when you come home, then you go to work and you don't have as much knitting time. So I'll have to carve some out. Sounds good. All right. I think that's it. Tomorrow is Sunday, day of rest, day of contemplation, regrouping, planning, cooking. I'm having some friends over for dinner tomorrow night. I haven't entertained in ages, so it's kind of one of our New Year's resolutions to entertain more. So I'm having a couple over for dinner, two lovely women that I know and care about a bunch, so it'll be fun. Anyway, so got to cook tomorrow. Got to make a plan. All right, I will see you on Monday. Have a lovely Sunday.